Good morning, guys. It is actually the morning. For my breakfast, I'm having a sausage sandwich. Just on the bus at the moment on our way to town. Right, just downtown at the moment. I didn't vlog as soon as I got into town. I had to do a couple of things first. I had to go to the bank. I also had to help Mum with a new phone. She's got a new phone. If you don't know what happened to her last phone, do you want to tell them or not?
No, because I laugh.
Okay then, whatever. She dropped in some coffee.
Half a cup if you don't mind.
Well, she dropped in half a cup of coffee by accident, and now she's got. What do you think of your new phone?
I don't know yet. I've only just bought him. I haven't seen what
Bought
it's like.
him. Bought him.
Yeah.
It's a phone.
Yeah, but to me it's a man.
Okay, that's just really random, and obviously I'm getting some weird looks, but you know, gotta get used to it. And freaking birds. But yeah, so you're not really sure if you enjoy it or not?
No, not yet. Don't know.
Alright then. Right, I'm just on the bus now, on the way home, so yeah, I know I haven't really got a lot recorded downtown. I'll tell you why I went downtown. Well, I think I've told you why I went. I've told them, haven't I?
You mentioned...
Freaking heck.
You mentioned bank and my phone.
That's it really?
Yeah, well, we didn't get the other things because it's gone, it's moved.
Yeah, well, I were gonna go clothes shopping, but when I went to the clothes shop, it shut down. So that's a bit of bad news. It's always bad when businesses shut down. So yeah, but like I said, so I didn't really get what I wanted downtown, but you know, this stuff can't help this stuff from happening, you know, unfortunately. But yeah, so just on the way home. And I'll also show you what we got when we get home, because I just remembered, when Mum just reminded me, we got free DVD, so yeah, I'll show you. That actually looks a bit creepy. That looks creepy, that. But yeah, I'll show you the DVDs when we got home. And do you want to show them your t-shirts or not?
Yeah.
Yeah. No, not the one you're wearing. The ones you bought.
I know. That's the one you used to have. I've already got that.
Yeah, you have. Anyway, so yeah, I'll show you what we got when we get home. I mean, I would show you on the bus, but it's going to be probably really daft. Ziggy, we're home. Ziggy? Sweeties? No? Okay then. For my dinner, I'm having an Oasis and the roast chicken salad with mayonnaise. Just on Xbox at the moment. I might do some game videos, I don't know yet, or I might just have a chill out, I'm not sure yet. We'll just see what happens. Freaking heck. I'm just downstairs at the moment. I didn't have long on Xbox because fireworks started, and Ziggy's not he's not that scared, but he likes to have us weeing when the fireworks going off, so we like calm him down. So I thought, while I'm downstairs, I'll show you what I got, and well, yeah, I'll show you what I got. Mum got that t-shirt. She also got that t-shirt as well. We also got The Sound of Music, Total Recall, and oh, that's gone blue here. And The Mask. You've already done that. For my tea, I am having chicken korma, peeler rice and naan bread. And I'm also having some jalfreeze. I know I have said this on a couple of vlogs, but there we are. Yeah, using light on my phone. Or torch on my phone. Anyway, but I know I have said this on a couple of vlogs near Bonfire night, New Year's night. Just literally just look after your pets. I know not a lot of pets are frightened of fireworks, and I know a lot of pets are, so if they are frightened of fireworks, just, you know, look after them, because I know some people set fireworks off and the dog and pets are like cowering, and they're like, oh, shut the hell up, well, you know it's only a firework, what you know. I know some mourners go off like that, and it is cruel. And also, I was looking on Facebook Friday, I think it were. I know it's a bit late, but if you haven't had a bonfire yet, check it for wildlife, because apparently, as it's coming into autumn, winterish, they sometimes hibernate in the actual bonfire. So before you actually set it, you know, on fire, make sure you check. I know by the time I'm doing this, it'd be too late already, but hopefully you'll remember for this for next year, or if you just have a normal garden fire, you know, as long as it's under control, just check for wildlife, and well, yeah, that's it. Me, my mum and Ziggy are just now getting ready to watch Total Recall. Right, me, my mum and Ziggy have just watched Total Recall, and I remember ages ago, one person commented, I can't remember who it was, commented saying that they enjoyed the film review that I did, so I'm gonna do it again. I kinda enjoyed it. The story was a bit like random when it first started off. I didn't understand what were happening, but yeah, I really enjoyed it. I can't get my tongue right. What did you think, Mum?
Well, I've seen it before loads and loads of times, but I still enjoy it, yeah.
Yeah.
I mean...
Try not to spoil it, because they might not have watched it.
Oh, it's an old film. If they haven't watched it, then there's something wrong with it. But you've got... What I was going to say is, you've got to listen to what's said in the beginning to understand the end.
Yeah. There's only one... Wait, let me just turn that around. I'm going to say a bit, right, that I said actually on the end of the film, right, and it's probably going to give it a bit, it's going to probably sound daft if you haven't watched it, but I still say he should have got his memory back.
No.
You know, but like I said, if you haven't watched it, even though it is an old film, if you haven't watched it, you know, go and watch it if you want, or if you have watched it, you know, you'll know what I mean. But yeah, let us know what you know, if you let me know if you've watched it, and let me know what you think. What?
If you haven't watched it by now and it were out in late 80s.
Yeah, but they might not know about it, you know.
Well, obviously, if they're not, it has been on TV before. It was on just a few nights ago.
I know. That's how we got the DVD.
Yeah,
because we only watched the beginning bit.
If they haven't watched it, then obviously they didn't want to watch it in first.
Well, yeah, but you know they might want to. Actually, if you're looking for something new, it's called Total Recall, is it? And yeah, if you want to watch it, then you know, watch it if you want.
But there's two versions of it. There's a remake and.
There is, isn't there? So, wait, just let me get... If you want to get the one I've just watched, get that one, if you can see it. Get that one with Arnold Schwarzenegger. Get him, get the one with him in it, and that's the proper one. I haven't seen have you seen the remake?
No, I won't watch it.
I haven't seen the remake, but like I said, get the one. Let us know, or if you've seen the remake, you know, let us know what you think of that. Right, me, my mum and Ziggy have just finished watching Sound of Music. I enjoyed it. I didn't know it was based on a true story. And I really enjoyed it. I still have questions, you know. What happened when they got to the new place? Did they ever go back to the, you know, where they were from? You know, loads of questions that I'll probably never get answered. But, you know, so, yeah, what do you think?
Yeah.
Is that it? Is that all we're going to get? Is that...
I've seen it a few times, and Julie Andrews is one of my favourite actresses. She's a good, as far as I'm concerned, she's a good singer, good actress, and good singer. So,
don't you want to know what happened to him? Did he end up going back or?
Well, I know they were on about going over to Switzerland.
Yeah.
But I know they had to translate everything from Austrian, not Australia, Austria, which is near Germany. They had to translate everything into English to make the film.
I wonder if they ever went back.
I don't know, I couldn't really tell you.
So, first movie we've watched, well, film, Total Recall. From 1 being rubbish for 10 being good, what would you rate it?
Good 10, yeah.
10.
Yeah, because like I said, I like Julie Andrews.
No, Total Recall.
Oh right, yeah, I like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So one being rubbish, 10 being good.
For this one?
No, first one.
Yeah, 10.
10.
Like I said, I like Arnold Schwarzenegger.
Right.
I've seen all his films.
Right. Now, Sound of Music.
Yeah, 10. Because like I said, I like Julie Andrews.
Right. First one, Total Recall. I'd probably give it a 9. Reason I'm getting a 9 is because you don't find out. Does he get his own memory back, or don't they? You know, I'm fussy when I watch stuff like this. I really am.
Yeah, I know.
And Sound of Music, I'm giving that a 9. Same reason, you don't know what happens after. So, but if you find out what happened, after, you know, then I would actually get a 10. But the reason I'm getting a 9 is because you don't find out what happens after. So, yeah, that's it. I'm getting ready to take Ziggy out. I have forgot to ask you this. If you still want me to do reviews on films or DVDs that I watch, new ones, if you still want me to do reviews on them, can you please let me know? And if you think that I'm wrong with the vote I gave it, then like I said, I do apologise, but can you let me know if you want me to still keep on doing reviews on the film? I know Halloween is already gone, but me and my mum have just found these. The glow in the dark axes. You know, she's got one as well. To me, it looks like I'm real life Minecraft, if you ask me. Minecraft's a game if you didn't understand.
Alright, no I didn't.
So yeah, we're going to show you them in the dark now.
Right.
And that's that.
Really?
I can't even see it. So yeah, so I just thought I'd show you what we've just found. Unfortunately, the top bit up here doesn't glow, it's just the handle, so yeah, that's a bit of a, you know, let down, but you know, we've just literally found them as we'll just literally get ready to take, we're getting ready to take you out, aren't we? So yeah. For my supper, I'm having a homemade Cornish pasty. Here's your supper, buddy. Right guys, I've just got into bed. I hope you have enjoyed today's vlog, even though Mum's that tired. I can't really remember hardly anything I recorded today, but I hope you have enjoyed, you know, my videos, and I hope you do enjoy my vlogs. So yeah, that's it. So I'm just gonna go to bed. So if you want, leave a comment. If you did enjoy today's vlog, give it a big thumbs up. Hope you're gonna keep on viewing me. And if you're new to my channel and you haven't hit the subscribe button, please hit the subscribe button. And I will see you next time vlog. Good night, guys.